Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by rearranging the equation to expose intercepts. For example, rewrite as x slash a plus y slash b equals 1 or isolate each variable. Once done, plug y equals 0 to find the x-intercept and plug x equals 0 to find the y-intercept. Make sure to simplify fractions so points are clear. Mark the resulting coordinates as a, 0, and 0b. This gives you two concrete points to plot immediately, which is faster and less error-prone than guessing the slope first. You now plot those two intercept points on the axes. Place a, 0 on the x-axis and 0b on the y-axis. Once plotted, draw a straight line through both points using a ruler so the line extends across the grid. This ensures accuracy when reading other values. After drawing, verify consistency by calculating slope as rise over run between the points and comparing it to any slope from the original equation. If they match, your graph is correct and scalable. You finish by clearly labeling the line with its equation and the intercept coordinates so others can read your work. If intercepts are fractional, make sure to use precise tick marks or rescale the axes so fractions plot correctly. This prevents visual errors. If the drawn line doesn't align with expected points, recompute each intercept by substituting zeros back into the original equation to catch algebra mistakes. This quick check resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.